What? What's your name?
Where is Tram?
Okay, high five. Hi. Okay. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good. How old are you?
Fine.
I am 5. Good. Can you tell me what is it?
Panda.
Panda is a panda. What is this?
Legs.
Legs. They are legs. What is this?
Body.
Body is a body. What is this?
Head.
Head is my head. What is it?
Leg.
Plane is a plane. What is this?
Tiger.
Tiger is a tiger. What is this?
Pen.
Pail is a pail. What is it?
Kite.
Cake is a cake. That's correct. What is this?
Cookie.
Cookie, yes. What is this?
Milk.
Milk. What is it?
Juice.
Juice. What is it?
Teddy bear.
Teddy bear, yes. What is this?
Eyes.
Eyes. What is it?
Nose.
Nose, yes. What is this?
Tummy.
Tummy, yes.
Eyes.
Eyes again. What is this?
Mouth.
Mouth.
Brains.
Present, yes. Turtle.
Turtle.
Yes, good. What is this?
Tea.
Tea, it's tea. What is it?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Do you like ice cream? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, good. What is this?
Water.
Water. What is it?
Coffee.
Coffee, yes. And the last one is
Candy.
candy, yes. Good. Okay. Bye bye.